Hello and welcome to Motors for the Masses, and today we've got an experiment. As you know, we've got our trip coming up when the lockdown finally ends, where we're taking this, the Sinis T380, the Zontis T310 and the CF Moto MT650, and we're going away for 3 days. Malcolm, Jamie and myself. And we've got equipment. And today we're going to do an experiment to see, in an emergency, just how long it takes to pack this stuff up, and there's a sleeping bag and a roll mat in there as well, get it on the bike and get going. So, let's roll the intro and get cracking. Crack! So, Jamie is going first. Are you ready, Jamie?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, then, I may have to speed this up, depends how long it takes. 3, 2, 1, do it properly, go!
Ready to go?
Right, time. Wait a minute, it's at this point I forgot to mention, I forgot to press OK and go on the time.
Alright.
On the bus, sorry.
I win!
Yeah.
It records.
I know, but I was going to speed it up, and now that's just blown that out of the window. So basically, it took some time. So having looked back on the timer on the video there, basically it took 10.5 minutes, give or take a few seconds. But that's actually not bad.
No.
From having a set-up camp to packing up, you should really have your bike gear on already anyway, probably.
I'll give it another extra 2 minutes just to actually attach that properly.
Yeah, and get your bike gear on. So it's basically, let's say 15 minutes. That's not bad. I mean, you know, we're probably going to take about half an hour, bearing in mind we'll be drinking tea and laughing about nonsense in between. But yeah, that's not actually bad. And everything fits in it. Now, with everything fitted in here, bearing in mind we're going to have camera equipment, we're going to have drones. So I'll have a backpack with my drone in. Jamie will have a backpack with his drone in. All the camera equipment will be in here or in one of these with clothes, tripod as well, and tent. Now, on the tent front, we did discover that I'd made a bit of a boo-boo on the tent. I bought a one-man tent, and it said it was 2 meters 45. It isn't, because he's 6 foot, and literally his feet are up against the edge, and his face was up against the tent on this side.
In the corner, yeah.
So we're going to have to abandon those tents, and we'll have to get some 2-man Euro hike tents instead. They're going to be a bit longer because they've got poles in as well, but they can just sit and strap to the top of this roll bag on here. And then in here, we've actually got quite a bit of space. So we've still got, basically in here we've got a chair and we've got the mat, and then we've got loads of space in here still. In here we've got the kettle. Only one of us is going to have that, which is going to be me on this bike. So, and the tent, and still room enough for stuff down the side. And in that one, what have we got in there?
This one we've got the fire extinguisher, the fire lighters, sleeping bag and a cup. So there's plenty of room here to put stuff. This is only quarter used really.
I only put the fire lighters in because I'm not going to take them out. Basically, these are little fire lighters for the kettle, and I'm just going to take about 10, 20 packs of these. So we're not actually going to take the whole barrel anyway. So there's going to be plenty of room. All we need now is for the lockdown to end and for us to go out on a ride. And that brings us to the end of this mini episode of Motos for the Masses. We are going to be back midweek with a proper ride out cinematography video on the NTV. So please stay tuned for that. And that's all I have time to say at the moment. So anything you have to say? No. Hope you're keeping safe. I'm sorry we couldn't bring you any more, but this lockdown is causing some serious issues. And now it's been extended to the 8th of March at least. We don't know when we can bring you that 3-day trip, hopefully towards the end of March. So please stay tuned for that, and lots of other stuff that we are going to be bringing you in the meantime. So until next time, please ride and drive carefully.
But have fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye.